Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to identify the nail pathologies when images are given in the exams. These are important for NEET PG, AIMS, PG and DNB. Now let's see. Nails have a major protein called keratin which is rich in cystine. It has a growth rate of about 3 mm per month. Now we'll see the important terms which are related to nails. Onychosis is any disease or deformity of nail. Onycholysis is separation of nail plate from nail bed. Onychia is inflammation of matrix of nails. Onychogryphosis is thickening of nails. Onychomycosis, as mycosis is fungal infection, it is fungal infection of nails. Onychodystrophy is degeneration of nails. Subungual hyperkeratosis is collection of keratotic debris under the nail plate. Paronychia is the bacterial or fungal infection where the nail and skin meet. Koilonychia is when the nail becomes concave spoon-shaped. Onychorhexis is splitting of nails. Onychoptis diffluvium is component of alopecia. Now we'll see the structure of a nail. In this, this is the body of the nail. This is the lateral nail fold. This is the white patch-like thing is the lanula, and this is the cuticle. Cuticle is also known as eponychium. Now we'll see the cross section of a nail. This is the nail plate. Beneath the nail plate lies the nail bed. Beneath the nail bed is a soft tissue which contains a phalanx of the bone, and at the base contains a nail matrix. Above it, nail root. This is a cuticle. Now we'll see the diseases involved with nails. First we'll see the infections or paronychia. It can be bacterial, viral or fungal. Bacteria can be streptococci, pseudomonas, proteus. Viral can be herpes, HIV. Fungal can be tinea, so known as dermatophytosis. Skin disorders can be alopecia areata, lichen planus, allergic dermatitis, psoriasis, tuberous sclerosis, Diarrhea's disease and erythroderma. That related to nutrition intoxication or iron deficiency anemia, in this we can see koilonychia and arsenic poisoning, in which we can see Ullrich-Mees lines. That related to tumors are adjacent to the nail are viral warts and fibrous tumors, and bone tumors are endochondria, subungual exostosis, osteoma, and that relate to vascular tumors are glomus tumor, AV malformations. Miscellaneous are related to pregnancy, Kawasaki disease, measles, Addison's disease, hand, foot and mouth disease. Now we'll see the images. This is an image showing that of nail with a spoon-shaped nails. This is koilonychia. In this nail, there is separation of nail from nail bed. This is onycholysis. In this, the proximal nail fold extends and fuses with the nail bed. This is pterygium of nail. In this, there is absence of ulna part of the nail. This is onychia. In this, there is transverse white line on nail. These are Mees lines. In this, there is whitish discoloration of nail, as you can see here. This is leukonychia. In this, there is transverse depression on the nail bed. This is Beer's lines. In these types of nail, there is a characteristic long grass appearance without any lanula. These are Terry's lines. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to MedTuber.